BJP MLA डेप्टी स्पीकर ताणे स्टेटमेंट केला प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवन की बीफ इज नॉट एन इशू. करेक्ट. पूण वो इशू करता कोण, केलो कोणे? BJPचो केंद्रीय नेतो, केंद्रीय लीडर, तांचो मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी ताणे वक्तव्य केलें की गोंयांत जी बीफ इटींग हॅबीट आसा ती चेंज जावपा जाय म्हणून. आतां हो मायकल उलयता पळय हाचेर, पयलीं म्हणजे मायकल इज अ डेप्युटी स्पीकर. स्पीकर आनी डेप्युटी स्पीकर हे सदां न्यूट्रल पोस्ट. हांणी केन्ना सायड्स घेवन आनी हांणी केन्ना पॉलिटिकल प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेवप नासता. इट डजंट ऑगर वेल. नाव हॅविंग सेड दॅट, मायकल पळय लिडरशीप आशिल्ल्या भशेन उलयता. मायकलाक पयलीं ताज्याच पार्टेन they have not considered him fit to be a cabinet minister. They have kept him out. And this is a hypocrisy of the BJP, where Subramanyam Swami, who is their tall national leader, says something. Hanga state leadership doesn't condemn it. Chief Minister has not condemned Subramanyam Swami's statement. BJP state president has not condemned. They have not asked for action against Subramanyam Swami. अमित शाह आनी गडकरी गोंयांत येता ते फेलिसिटेशनाक, थंय ते गोंयकारांची एपॉलॉजी मागना, थंय ते ताका कंडेम करिना, कसलें ताचेर एक्शन प्रॉमीस करिना. आनी हांगा मायकल येता आनी मायकल कितें तरी उलयता. इट इज ओनली इंटेंडेड, दीस BJP's tactics are theatrics. There is a DPSP in the constitution of this country which speaks of cow protection also. So that's not the issue. Cow slaughter is not the issue here. The issue which has been raked up is beef.
सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या हायवे लिकर बंदीच्या निर्णयाचेर उपाय काडपा खातीर स्टेट हायवे डिनोटिफाय करूंक गोंय सरकार कांयच हालचाल करिना. BJP गुजराता भशेन गोंय लिकर मुक्त करूंक सोदता म्हूण काँग्रेसीची टिका.
And the present government is just fooling the people of Goa. You see, today Maharashtra has already moved a file to denotify the highways. Now our government evidently is waiting for 2 or 3 months, according to the press report, for the bench to change. Now what is stopping them from denotifying the highways? If Maharashtra can do it, it's come on today's paper that Maharashtra to denotify Mumbai highways. What is stopping the Goa government from denotifying the highways in Goa? We are finishing our tourism business also. We have finished mining, and all the false promises that the government is giving is not going to help us, help the people of Goa. This is a ploy to finish the Bahujan Samaj. This is a ploy to finish the poor people, the poor businesses.
Prudent खातीर चेतन गवस.